Our challenge is starting. Me and Lily are about to show you. I can't wait to find out. Dying to know which theme? Oh, wow, gold! Just what I wanted. What do you think of my new look? Wow, Lily, I want one too. What am I getting? Please, not cardboard, not cardboard. Let me fix that. Yay, silver! I love everything silver. Time to transform. There, my new look is everything. Did you like our stream? Let me check. OMG, so many likes. Wow. Whoa! Gotcha. Be more careful. LaLiLu, can you make me a phone case?
No problem. For this craft, we need metallic cardboard. Trace the phone and cut out the piece with double-sided tape. Attach it to the back, then frame the phone in rhinestones. Add some sparkly details. Lali loves those. Something's missing. Now it's perfect.
Woohoo!
Add some hardware and attach a chain. The phone case is done. Here, Lali.
Oh, wow! Thank you, LaLiLu. Give it a like and write in the comments what challenge you want to see next.
Hey.
So, what are we doing now?
We're about to find out. Pick a card.
This one. No, this one.
We got a squishy.
Yay! I love squishies.
We'll make it from nano tape and glitter. Peel off a strip and cover it.
Can I do it? Can I?
Okay. Here.
I love glitter.
Cover it in gold glitter.
Even more sparkles.
Cutting it into thin strips. Now even smaller. There. Lali, can you help?
Of course.
While Lali cuts, we scrunch another piece of tape into a ball and wrap it with clear tape.
LaLiLu, let me squish it. I already handled it. It's so soft and sticky. Oops. Oh, I think I got stuck. LaLiLu, help! Pull! Oops.
You're okay, Lali.
Phew, almost hurt myself.
We take Lali's little pieces and stick them one by one onto our ball. Tweezers work best. And there's our fluffy squishy.
Wow!
Put it in packaging and seal it. Here, Lily.
Thanks!
And now it's unboxing time! Wow, I've always dreamed of one. What a cute squishy. Let me squish it, let me. Wow, it feels so good. What a lovely day.
What?
Oh, what's that?
Huh?
Oh, I got so dirty. Oh, well, it happens. Time for a snack. Oops. Hey, where are you going? Get that back. It's my food. Great, now I'll starve.
I think this will help.
What?
Oh, yes. Wow, so many likes. Ouch! Oh no, my nail! Oh, not that. This is the worst day of my life.
Lali, what happened?
Look at this.
Can I help somehow?
Actually, yes, I just thought of something.
Then let's go.
Let's go. So, what materials do we have?
We've got plastic fruit, a half sphere, a ball.
Okay, let's start with the ball. We'll make a UV nail lamp.
I brought a real lamp to use as a reference.
Draw the outline
And cut it out with a craft knife. Now repaint it silver. The lamp is ready. Trim some beads. Color a cotton swab with permanent marker and cut it into pieces. Attach a bead to each piece. Trim a few bristles and make a little brush. We've got a whole set. Now let's make the polish stand. Remove the cap from the glitter jar, place it on silver foam, and cut a circle. The stand is done. Now we need a lamp base. Cut a circle from silver packaging. Frame it with rhinestones and set the lamp on top. Add buttons, and done. Lali, now we can give you a fresh manicure.
Oh, wow, finally. Okay, I'm ready.
First, let's file the broken nail. What polish should we use?
Huh?
Silver, obviously. It's so shiny. Yes, almost done. So pretty. Thank you, LaLiLu. Oh, someone else needs a manicure, too. Good thing you have me. Give me your hand. I'll sort it out. Painting and putting under the lamp. All done. Oh, almost forgot.
Thank you, Lali.
Now it's perfect. Hey, what are you guys doing? Hey, just doing nails. Cool, do mine too. But I only have silver polishes here. LaLiLu, what about me?
I prepared some cards for you. Pick one.
This one. Oh, wow, makeup.
We'll need a Proxa brush. Color the tip black and trim it. Take a brush cap, cut a piece off, seal one end, and insert our little brush. Paint the case with gold polish and add a gem. We've got a gorgeous mascara. Now let's make the cream. Seal a straw, cut it, and attach a cap. Paint it gold and add decoration. A luxurious tube. Now for the powder. Remove the sprayer, cover with foam sheet, add rhinestones and a lid, and top with a gem. Add gold polish. Time to package it all. Load the boxes into the beauty vending machine. There.
Okay, I need makeup. Oh my, it's the gold collection. Step aside.
Hey, watch it.
Wow, so much makeup. I have to get it. Come on, a little more.
Woohoo!
Yes, oh how beautiful.
Look, she got something.
Huh?
One more time.
Oh my god.
How does she even do that? Wow, mascara.
Yes! What?
She's going to grab everything.
I need it all. What do we have here? Oh, right, don't forget to subscribe. Time to do my makeup. So, how do I look, girls?
Huh?
Wow, so beautiful. Let me see. We want some too. Let's go get makeup. Me first. No, me.
Bye, girls.
We're here. Wait here while I pick a bag.
Wow!
So many styles. Oh, I like this one. This bag looks so good on me. Lou, where are you going?
Hey.
Come here. Oh, there you are. Let's go grab my bag.
It's so pretty. I'll take it.
Hey, I saw it first.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no, Lou, you can't do that. Let me fix this real quick.
Help! Get it off of me!
I'm so sorry. Come here, Lou. LaLiLu, I can't deal. Please do something. I know just how to help.
Kitty, 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 come here, Lou.
Yes, just like that. Good kitty. First, let's take some measurements. Cut a piece of silver fabric to size and use hot glue to make a bag. Glue the edges on one side, then on the other. Fold the corners, glue them too, then turn it inside out. And we've got the base for the bag. Make a small cut, fold the edges, trim the ribbon edge, and attach handles. Add a little pocket. LaLiLu, hold on! Now it's ready. Hop in, Lou. Oh wow, so cozy! Thanks, LaLiLu. Now I can finally shop in peace. Ooh, what a tiara! I'm getting it.
Your cat won't jump out, will it?
No, he is in a special carrier, see?
Please hold him tight. I'm begging you.
Okay, we're up.
Bye-bye.
Here, you're gonna need this. Phew, I feel so much better now. Thank you. Great, glad to help. Oh, time to pick a card. Let me see. I'll take this one. So, what did I get?
It's a surprise. What should I make? Oh, I know. We take one of these dolls. Paint the hair gold. Add some faux fur, trim it a bit. Then spray on some glitter, a few final details, and into the packaging. This is gonna be an amazing prize.
Wow, so much fun here.
Oh my gosh!
Hi.
I suggest starting with the darts. The winner gets a super prize. It's absolutely so delicious.
A super prize, you say? Oh no, watch out!
Oh my god!
Hey, my ice cream.
Oh, this is a disaster.
Thanks for sharing, I guess. May I present the super prize? It's a golden doll keychain. Me, I want it. Hurry, throw it. Missed. Well, I guess the prize stays with me. Ah.
Step aside, ladies. Pro coming through.
Oh!
Ta-da!
How did she do that?
I'm taking my prize.
Oh no, you can't.
Yes, I absolutely can.
Fine, okay.
Yay, I won!
Lily, you're the best. Congratulations. Oh wow, so fun. LaLiLu, I want to pick a card too. Then pick one, quick. Oh my, it's AirPods Max. I have an idea. I've got wire, air dry clay, foam sheet. LaLiLu, I already gathered the materials. Great job, Lali. Let's get started. Take some clay and shape 2 ear cups. Bend wire into a semicircle, trim the ends, and add the clay cups. From foam sheet, make a headband pad. Cut a thin strip, round the corners, and glue it in the arch. Cover the wire top and bottom. Repaint the ear cups. and decorate the arch with rhinestones. Now let's package them. Cut a cardboard template and fold a box. Put the headphones inside. Done! Here, Lali.
Thanks.
Oh, wow, they're so amazing. Let me test them out.
Lali, what is this? Why is everything scattered around?
Oops, sorry. I was filming TikTok. Don't worry, I'll clean it up right now. Ta-da!
So clean. Good job, Lali.
Wait, where's Lou? Oh no, he ran off again. I've got him! Phew, there you are. Come here, little one. Good thing Lali came. Oh no, my hair! I need to fix this right now. LaLiLu, make me a comb, but make it like this.
Sure thing, Lily. Oh, a toothbrush is perfect for this. Cut off the top. Let's take the butterfly from the bracelet. Glue decorative wings on the sides and paint everything gold. Decorate the comb with gems, place it on a stand, and add rhinestones.
Wow.
Here, Lily.
Yay! Exactly what I wanted.
Let me help you. We brush your hair a little, style it, and add a tiara.
Wow, I look absolutely gorgeous. Okay, friends, our challenge ends in 3, 2, 1.
Bravo, girls!
We did it! Yes!
Give it a like and subscribe to the channel.
Woohoo!
Bye-bye.